Alrighty, guys. So good evening, good afternoon, good morning, wherever you guys are in the world. We got JP Savage back at it again. You know the vibes. We are currently now 8-0 on our signals, undefeated still this week. Last time I spoke with you guys, I was 5-0. That was yesterday. Last night called 3 back-to-back dubs. You know the vibes. You know how we run this shit. So pretty much, I'm here to break down why I decided to look for buys instead of looking for sells, like I was talking about previously. So pretty much, we had this down channel, excuse me, on GJ, and price was melting. And, after that, we started having consolidation. We started having like a little bit of a side channel. So I'm like, okay, potentially, what we're going to get after we get that side channel is we're going to get an up channel. So we're going to have a possible uptrend, or the beginning of an uptrend. So, I waited for us to break out of this channel, waited for new highs to be broken. New highs were broken, right? So what does that do? When new higher highs are made, what are you going to get? A higher low, right? Potentially, most of the times, that higher low is also a fib, right? And it's most likely also coming to retest an SMA. So price came, we had this fib long, right? As soon as we had this fib long and I saw that we were closing bullish, I got in bias, clean, super clean bias. We were there for probably 1 hour. Boom, TP1 smashed. Easy, right? This trade's still running right now. Right now, it's currently about 77 pips in profit. Next TP is 151,500 for 88.6 pips. So, we had this trade. And, I was looking at the market very aggressively because I was like, okay, this is the beginning of an uptrend. So most likely what we're going to do is that we're going to keep trending up, maybe for New York session as well. So New York session started and I'm like, okay, I'm in the 5-minute. I see price break above 151 right here. I see price break above 151 and I'm like, okay, let's see if we can get a break and a retest. So as soon as we got that break and retest right here, I was like, all right, buys, simple. So took buys, hit TP1. As soon as I hit TP1, boom, that shit melted, got broke even, right? Whatever, winner's still a winner. TP1 smashed, everybody's happy, right? But I got broke even and I knew that price was going to continue to move up. So I let my signals know. I'm like, okay, we're potentially going to get broke even on this trade. However, if we do get broke even, because it's most likely going to be a retracement for a continuation to go long again, right? So, I let my signals get break even, got broke even. And what I did was that I waited for confirmation. So as soon as we got broke even on this trade, literally 15 minutes later, I was in this trade. So I took these buys as price closed above this 8 SMA on the 5-minute and then came back, retested it. As soon as it retested it, boom, got in, instant TPs, smashed. Right now, we're up almost a 1-3 on this trade. We should continue to push up. If we do not continue to push up, then let's see what happens. But most likely we will continue to push up. But regardless, the one trade that is not getting broke even is going to be this trade. So this trade is going to be the potential 200-300 pip push if we do continue to move to the upside. If not, and this is just a retracement to continue to go short, then that's the end for longs. But at least we're 8-0. We're still winning. Regardless, the trend flipped for a little bit. If it decides to go short again, then we'll be on the shorts. But you gotta adapt or you perish. So that's just how we do it. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys have a lit London session. The vibes. Subscribe, hit that like button. And if you guys don't know who I am, go follow me on Instagram at FXJPSavage. And I'll see you guys tomorrow for another breakdown. And if you guys are a part of my signals, just I'll see you guys for London session tonight. And if you guys want to learn how to join my signals, just look at the description. The vibes. I'm out.